फिजिक्स क्लास सर?
नहीं, केमिस्ट्री क्लास 6:30 को है कहते ना आज।
हाँ सर, आज एक दिन।
हैं? I had to take my mother for vaccination today. That's why I did not take the earlier class. Boy, from only for tomorrow you'll have again the classman. सुन रहे?
By 12:15, sir. Tomorrow also.
हाँ?
Tomorrow also by 12:15, sir.
No, वही बोल रहा हूँ. Tomorrow 10:45.
Yes, sir.
Only this week we will manage with the 10:45 timing. After this week I'll close that down. Okay?
Yes, sir.
समान नंबर okay?
ओके सर.
Tomorrow class at 10:45. Shall we start? Class will be till 12:45, man. Write this.
Yes, sir.
4, 2, P is
The class will be till 12:40.
Yes.
centroid of tetra your Sunday exam. This weekend exam is an advanced exam. Man. Syllabus is entire vector algebra. सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
से लेके ending तक entire vector algebra. Every mains exam, at least there are 6 questions from vectors. Every mains exam, there are 6 questions from vectors. Very, very important chapter. Every mains exam, every mains paper has 6 questions from vectors. So please, then K plus P is equal to dash. Answer man waiting. Jaldi. Simple.
Equal to 5. Sir, K plus
Answer first one.
So 5.
Comma,
Sir, 5.
comma, P is equal to what the center of tetrahedron?
Sir. Yes. By
Am I
4.
correct?
Correct, sir.
So 4 comma 2 comma P is equal to K plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 by, sorry, 4 minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 by 4. बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
So this is what? 16 is equal to K plus 13. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
4P is equal to 8. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this problem correct? 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8. 8 by 4 2. Correct? Because these two must be equal. Then only problem is correct. Are these two equal?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
So 5 by 3 comma 2 by 3 comma 2.
Hmm. If you call the point as P somewhere here, origin, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, what will be AMN? Correct? What is your
Correct,
B?
sir. 0 comma 2 comma 3. 0 comma 0 comma 6.
G of, बोला मन?
Yes, 5 by 3 comma 2 by 3 comma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Non-Jasims, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
DCs and DRs. Already we have done DCs. Now we should do DRs. Come on, take a fresh page. Put the heading DCs and DRs. Can I? Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Pay attention. Look at these two lines. What is the angle between these two lines?
30 degree.
Non-Jasims, respond. What is the angle between these two lines?
30 degrees.
30 degrees.
Remember, even if you say 150, will people come and hit you? They
No.
don't have any right. So what is the angle between these two lines? Angle between the lines 30 degrees or, am I correct one?
Yes, sir.
Or acute angle between the lines or obtuse angle between the lines are all the three statements of mine correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is, angle between the lines is alpha. Is the statement correct?
Correct, sir.
Now, hello, Angle between the lines is alpha or 180 minus alpha. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Now, can anybody tell me what was directional cosines?
Cos square alpha.
Wait, the cosine of the angle which a vector OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk makes with positive x, y, z axis are called, what are they called?
Direction.
And I said denoted by, I should not say it is, they are denoted by. What's the notation for DCs? They are
LMN.
denoted by LMN. What axis? Positive axis.
Positive.
What is L is equal to? Bolo ji. M,
Cos alpha. Cos beta.
N,
Cos gamma.
in fact, minus L, minus M, minus N are DCs of the Y, because alpha, beta, gamma, because Wyman, sorry,
Can
because
be obtuse angles.
pi minus alpha
Phi minus beta.
are also the, am I correct?
Angles made. Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Sir.
Bolo man.
Correct. Correct,
Yes, sir.
That's the reason why write this. How many lines are there? THE. How many lines are there? Come on, communists.
Copying.
Which make equal angles with the coordinate I'm waiting.
Four.
I should not say how many lines are there. Actually, I think I should have asked the DCs of a line. I'll put it this way. Same question. The DCs of a line which is equally inclined to the axis and hence number of such lines per action. Can I
Yes, sir.
answer?
Sir, direction cosines are 1 by root 3 and minus 1 by root 3. Number of lines need to be found, sir. Yes.
What do you mean by equally inclined? Can we clear 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Non-Jasims respond when?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what is the chats? Sir, what is the full form of DC and DR? Huh? I told earlier, man. DR I did not define. DC हम बात करें ना वेक्टर्स में. What does DC stands for?
Direction cosines.
Direction cosines. We spoke about this in vectors, man.
Sir, cos square alpha plus cos square beta.
Direction cosines or
Direction.
directional cosines. DR सभी डिफाइन नहीं किया मैं. What is the relation? Can I clear 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
In fact, I'll write all of them. What did we learn there in vectors? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. मतलब क्या है?
y square plus
इसका
m
भी
square
proof
plus
होना,
n.
इसका भी proof होना. I have a vector. Point P modulus of OP bar mod R bar. Drop a perpendicular. This length is x. This angle is alpha. बच्चों लोग, what is cos alpha? X by mod R bar. X by mod OP bar. X by under root of.
X square plus y square plus z square.
Similarly, what will be cos beta? Y by under root of
X square plus y square plus z square.
cos gamma z by under root of क्या आएगा? cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma will be x square by x square plus y square plus z square, y square by
X square plus y square plus z
square
square
plus y square plus z square
plus z square by x square
by
plus y square.
x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Somebody whoever asked me the doubt, am I clear? Respond, man.
Clear, sir.
Jasim, please wait, man. Whoever asked me the doubt, is it clear?
He is not replying, sir.
अरे क्या है जी? आप पूछे करके कराना जी मैं. We have done this already, man. And what were the properties? Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma 1.
Sin square alpha, sin square beta.
Alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. 1 minus cos square alpha, 1 minus cos square beta, 1 minus cos square gamma, 1 plus 1
2.
plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, minus of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, 3 minus 1, 2.
2.
Then cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, cos square beta minus sin square beta, cos square gamma minus sin square gamma. 1 minus 2 minus ln का max 1 by
1 by root 3 root 3.
lm plus mn plus nl का max 1 L plus M plus N का max 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3, 3 by root 3, root 3. All this I explained during vectors.
Yes, sir. You explained.
एक बार पढ़ाने में ही इतना टाइम लग जा रहा, but still did second time. अगर इसका भी proof चाहिए, यही आइडिया. What sort of angles line is making?
Sir.
Equal angles. Since alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, what does it give you, man?
L equal to M equal to N.
So what will I get?
L square equal to 1 by 3.
Correct, hai?
Yes, sir.
Same is M, same is N. So what are your ML, LMN?
6.
बोलो। पर मैक्सिमम के लिए तीनों भी प्लस लेना, प्लस 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 1/√3 into 1/√3 into 1/√3 1/3√3 1/√3 into 1/√3 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 1 1/√3 plus 1/√3 plus 1/√3 3/√3 √3. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Now number of such lines, second part of the question. Anybody? Look here. How many such lines are there?
8.
What does this plus 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 stands for?
All elements are positive. Plus 1 by root.
All make acute angle.
1/√3 1/√3 1/√3 plus plus minus stands for
1 by
1/√3
1 by
1/√3 minus 1/√3 and so on. How many such lines are there?
8.
Bolo man. Hamza, how many lines? Shoaib, how many lines? Saidur Rahman, how many lines? Answer man. Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Answer is 4 lines.
Yes, sir.
Many students, by looking at this or by remembering this logic, mark the answer as 8, which is wrong. Reason, because these 3 are acute angles. These 3 are obtuse angles of the same. That means these 2 angles are same. 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 How many number of such lines are there?
4.
So, number of such lines are how many one?
4.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubt, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir. Sir, this points only, sir. This cos square alpha, cos square beta. Sir, please don't drop that, sir. Other all completed, sir.
What happened?
Sir, these points, no, sir. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos plus cos square gamma. Please don't drop that, sir. Other all completed. 1 minute, sir.
I'll wait. I require a full board. Finish it off.
Yes, 1 minute.
Can I? बोलो man.
Yes, sir.
Non-Jasims respond man. Non-Jasims
Yes, sir.
respond to the clearance of.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth point. DCs of a line are 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Is this true or false? That means cos alpha 1 by 2, cos beta 1 by 2, cos gamma 1 by 2. Alpha sikashti, beta sikashti, gamma sikashti. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. False.
False.
Sir, gamma cannot be 60.
This statement is why? Because
Sir,
it fails. Bolo, bolo.
sir, alpha gamma.
That is, these are not cos alphas. L square plus m square. I should not say it fails cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. I should say because it fails, which one it fails?
L square plus n square plus n square is equal to what?
What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Is it 1?
No.
How? Pay attention. Pay attention. We define a new word. Direction ratios. DCs को, what are the DCs?
L comma N comma N.
L comma M comma N multiplied by some lambda. बोलो.
Lambda M lambda and N.
Lambda M, lambda N. Only condition. Only condition. Only condition. बोलो बोलो
L
बोलो.
not equal to M not equal to N.
हाँ, lambda not equal to 0. What are these called? Direction. Guruji,
Ratios.
denoted by A, B, C. In fact, A is to B is to C is equal to L is to M is to 1. इसका मतलब क्या है? A by L, B by M, C by N is equal to lambda से बोल सकता हूँ? और सेम लैम्डा का
Yes, sir.
is equal to अल्फा से. बच्चों लोग L क्या है? Compare these two. L क्या है? बोलो मैम.
A by alpha.
M क्या है?
B by alpha. C by alpha.
What's the relation between L and M? Can I clear this statement off? Can I clear these off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Look here, man. Since L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, what does it give you, man? Bolo.
A square by alpha plus B square by alpha plus C square by alpha equal to
Alpha is alpha square.
sorry,
Alpha
alpha.
square.
Alpha square is A square plus B square plus C square. बच्चे लोग alpha क्या है? Plus or minus under root A square plus B square plus C square. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
So, what are your DCs? Therefore, what are your elements? DCs L, M, N are plus or minus A by correct है? Plus or minus B by under root
A square plus B square plus C square
plus or minus C by under root
under root of A square plus B square plus C square.
माने अगर A, B, C are DCs, sorry, if A, B, C are DRs, what are DCs? These are the DCs. This is your L, this is your M, this is your L. Conversely, if L, M, N are DCs, what are DRs? बोलो जी. Lambda L, lambda M, lambda N, where lambda not equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subheading directional ratios. First point. Directional ratios. Bracket में DRs. हर बार directional ratios बोल के लंबा चौड़ा नहीं लिखे. Just write DRs. First point. Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Three real numbers. First point. Three real numbers. A comma B comma C. Three real numbers A comma B comma C are said to be direction ratios. Three real numbers A comma B comma C are said to be direction ratios or direction numbers. Direction ratios or direction numbers or DRs. Direction ratios or direction numbers or DRs of a line if A is to B is to C, if it is there on the board top, if A is to B is to C is equals to L is to M is to N, where LMN are DCs of the line, where LMN are DCs of the line. I repeat, man. Three real numbers A comma B comma C are said to be direction ratios or direction numbers or DRs of a line if A is to B is to C is equals to L is to M is to N, where LMN are DCs of the line. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
समान नुमेर क्लास में हो? I think he is present in the first 5 minutes and last 5 minutes. Saman Numer. Next, somebody read the statement for me. Saidur Rahman, एक बार first point पढ़ो.
Three real
Real
numbers.
numbers A comma B comma C are called directional ratios or directional numbers or DRs, where A is to B is to C equals to L equal to M equal to N, where L M N are
Not L equal to M, L is to M is to N.
L is to M is to N, where L M N are DCs of the line.
Second point. Any three reals or any three real numbers. Second point. Any three real numbers which are proportional to DCs. Any three reals which are proportional to DCs are called DRs. Any three real numbers which are proportional to DCs are called DRs. That is, second point, that is, if LMN are DCs, then what are the DRs? DRs are lambda L, lambda M, lambda N, where lambda not equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Third
Sir.
point. बोलो.
Saman Numer is asking to check the chat, sir. His mic is not working.
क्या बोले?
Is
Saman
my
Numer is asking to check the chat, sir. His mic is not working. Please, sir.
Chat में हो ना?
oh sir.
Yes sir. Disturbances around, so I cannot open my mic. Message आ गया समान नंबर. Look here, third one. So, moral of the story. A line has unique DCs, but infinitely many DRs. Look here, what I'm trying to say. DCs of a line are is the statement correct?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग, is the statement correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because L square plus M square plus N square is 1. Give me answer for this. More than one answer correct?
Sir, A, B, and D, sir. So, sir, A, C, and D, sir.
Is A correct?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Ratio is same as the proportional.
DCs को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना?
7.
7. A correct?
D also.
Multiply by 7. B. कुछ भी करो नहीं आता.
Yes,
2
sir.
by 7. C 2 by 7, sir.
Two by
D.
7.
7 by 2, sir. 7 by 2. 7 by 2.
7 by 2, sir.
Divide by 2 by 7. 7 by 2.
Multiply by
7 by
7
2
by
only, sir. Correct only, sir. 7.
third D.
Multiplied by 4 by 4, sir. One
Yes,
only, sir.
4 by
Multiply by
7 by
Four.
4, sir.
7 by 4. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
I think by
Sir,
this time you should have got enough picture about DCs and DRs.
Yes, sir.
What are DCs? What
Yes,
are
sir.
DRs? That's the reason why a line has unique DCs but infinitely many DRs. Remember it. Next. If A, B, C are finished, can I write fifth point?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Waiting.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Next. If fifth point. If A, B is, look here. This you multiplied by what?
7.
This you multiplied by 1 by 2, man.
Yes,
This
sir.
also you multiplied by 1 by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one
So
wait.
DRs को भी लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो फिर DRs आते हैं.
Yes, sir.
DCs को लैम्डा से मल्टीप्लाई करने से DRs आए. DRs को भी एक कांस्टेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will again get some more DRs. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Write this. Fifth point. If A, B, C are DRs of a line, if A, B, C are DRs of a line, then lambda A, lambda B, lambda C are also DRs of the line. If A, B, C are DRs of a line, then lambda A, lambda B, lambda C are also DRs of the line, of the same line, you say. In brackets, lambda not equal to 0. Next,
Can you repeat that once again, sir? Fifth point.
if A, B, C are DRs of a line, then lambda A, lambda B, lambda C are also DRs of the same line.
Yes, sir.
Next, if A, B, C are seventh point or sixth point,
Sixth point.
if A, B, C are DRs of a line, I'm writing here, proof is here, proof is below. If A, B, C are DRs of a line, then its DCs are, hold on. If A, B, sixth point, if A, B, C are, what are they? DRs of a line, its DCs are, bolo ji, plus or minus a by root of plus or minus b by root of plus or minus c by root of. Give the proof here. इसका proof यहाँ पे है. Correctness. एक example. Write the statement, give the proof. Below that, you write this example.
Yes. So 3 by 5 root 2 minus 4 by 5 root 2 minus 1 by root 2.
Say it correctly, man. Plus or minus 3 by 5 root 2 minus plus 4 by 5 root 2 minus plus 5 by 5 root 2. Correct, hai?
Yes,
Hmm.
correct. Sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Jaldi man. Don't take so much time. What's the answer? Plus or minus 3 by 5 root 2
Yes, sir.
minus plus 4 by 5 root 2 minus plus 5 by 5 root 2.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Look at. Bachalo, all of you. I want you to pay attention. Look at these two lines. Or look at these two lines. To increase your visibility. Can you see the lines?
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes.
आगे एक पीछे दिख रहा
Yes, sir.
और only my fingers.
Yes.
Can you see the lines?
Yes, sir.
एक आगे एक पीछे. Are these lines intersecting?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Can you find the angle? Yes.
Yes.
That's the beauty of 3D geometry. 2D में 2D में lines intersecting. This is the angle.
Angle.
यहाँ lines देखो intersect हो रहे. This is the angle. किसमें ये? 2D.
2D.
3D में
2D.
देखो दूर दूर चला गया है. एक line here, एक line here. Can you see the lines? I think now clearly in this backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
lines are not intersecting.
Yes, sir.
but still you can find the angle. How and why? इस line का direction is determined by its parallel vector. इस line का direction is determined by its parallel vector. Parallel, 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 parallel. इसको parallel, इसको parallel, इसको parallel, इसको parallel, इसको parallel, इसको parallel. Will the parallel vectors intersect?
Yes.
इस line का direction is determined by its DCs or DRs. Because DCs आ गए, DRs पता कर सकते हैं, DRs आ गए, DCs पता कर सकते हैं. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
DR से
Yes,
DCs
sir.
ला सकते हैं, DC से DRs ला सकते हैं. इस लाइन का direction is determined by its DRs. इस लाइन का direction is determined by its DRs. Either DRs or DCs does not matter for me. For me, if I have one, I can find the other. मेरे पास DRs है, DCs पता कर सकता हूं मैं. मेरे पास DCs है, DRs
DR.
पता कर सकता हूं. That is not a big deal for me. Therefore, these lines, even though they are not intersecting, you can still find the angle between them. Am I correct?
Angle between their parallel vectors.
That's it. Angle between their parallel vectors. Right now, we will not speak the language called parallel vectors. Right now, we'll speak the language called direction cosines. Agreed?
Agreed.
Yes.
Write the statement. Next number 6 है, 7 है, 8 है. क्या नंबर है उसका? 7. Angle between two non-coplanar लिख रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Angle between two non-coplanar and non-intersecting lines. Angle between two non-coplanar and non-intersecting lines is same as angle between two non-coplanar and non-intersecting lines is same as angle between the vectors. Angle between the vectors which are parallel to the two given lines, which are parallel to the two given lines. What I'm trying to say is, look here, man. Draw a vector parallel to AB and passing through origin. What I will call that as OP. Draw a vector parallel to CD and passing through origin. That I will call OQ.
Intersecting at
How
all.
is OP? Hello, man.
Parallel to AB.
How is OQ?
Parallel to CD.
So angle between. Why we should use English language, man? How do you denote angle between AB and CD?
QOP.
Bracket A, B, B, comma, C.
Hence. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग, can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look here. 6th pointer, 7th pointer, or 8th. I think 8th shell. Look here.
Sir, 8.
LMNR DCs of the vector OP bar. Then what is OP bar? What is cos alpha, man?
Sir,
X by under root of
no, P bar.
X by under root of X square plus Y square plus Z square.
हमको x चाहिए. What is cos alpha?
No, P bar.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what will be OP bar?
Sir, mod of P bar into Li plus Mj plus Nk.
Mod of will this be am I correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
What is x is equal to?
L LR bar modulus of R bar.
Mod of R bar. If I consider this as unit vector, what is mod R bar?
1
So what is x is equals to?
L
N.
Similarly, y, z, n. That means
beta
OP bar, if LMNR DCs of a vector, I should not say DCs of a vector OP bar. I think appropriate word will be
OP will be L plus M plus N.
OP bar. Man.
Yes, sir. OP Li plus
LMNR, I will say DCs of a line or DCs of a vector OP bar. Then what is OP bar? Or LMN of a line Then I think we should say OP bar only. But what is your P is equal to, or what is OP bar is equal to? What is it? Li
plus mj plus mk.
plus Nk. Now come back. Call this as ninth one. Hopefully, I can you do this. You cannot do. Look here. Element B. Eighth point. Element B. DCs of AB or L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2B
DCs of cd.
DCs of CD. Then what is OP bar? L1I. Ah, बोलो जी. M1J N1K. OQ bar L2I
Plus mq
M2J
plus m.
N2K. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If angle between AB and CD is theta, then what will be angle between OP and OQ, man? What is cos theta? OP bar dot OQ bar by mod OP bar mod OQ bar. But mod OP bar is under root of L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square, which are DCs, which is 1. So what is OP bar dot OQ bar? L1 L2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And what will be sin theta?
One minus under root of one minus cos square.
No, wait, all that man. A bar cross. I think sin theta is mod A bar mod B bar. कुछ है ना formula? क्या है जी? हाँ.
Mod A bar.
Mod A cross B by mod A
Mod
mod
A
B.
bar.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Mod A mod B are 1 each. What is this? IJK.
L1
L1 M1 N1
L2
L2 M2 N2. So under root of बोलो जी M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square. Am I correct?
plus
Plus M1 L2 minus M1. So this is N1. Sorry. N1 L2 minus N2 L1 whole square and last wala L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square. Am I correct?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts? Any questions so far? I'm waiting. कुछ किया ही नहीं मैं.
No
I did
doubt.
not do any magic. Whatever idea I used here. Call this as 8th point. Call this as 9th point. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Chalo.
sir.
Abrar, clear?
Yes, sir, dear.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
You can
Completely.
leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Sir. Bye, sir.